So, I got a good amount of parts over here for the Civic. They're over here sitting on the table, so let's go ahead and check them out. So I don't want to say that this whole car is going to be an, quote, eBay build. But, in my experience over the last 5+ years, buying numerous products from eBay, some stuff is bad, some stuff is good. These rotors and just totally crap, cheap pads were $45. Buy it now for both things. Free shipping, came in like 3 days. These are junk. I'm definitely not using these unless maybe like I have to daily drive it for some point. But anyways, these are junk. But eBay rotors, it's a piece of metal. These are drilled and slotted, which probably aren't any better or worse than the blank ones. But anyways, I mean, $35. If they last for a month, that's fine. They were so cheap that it doesn't even matter. And then next time I'll upgrade after these fail me. But my theory is to buy eBay stuff, and then once it's proven to be as bad as I assumed it would be, I will then upgrade to the legit brands and everything. But for now, why not keep it cheap? Once it fails, we'll replace it with good stuff. So eBay rotors, not using those. And then we got some really nice and smelly factory plastic spark plug wires. They were $20, maybe $30, I don't know, but they look super thick. The old ones look really old and torn, so that'll be an upgrade. And then the car is smoking a lot, and it needs valve seals. And then this is a little tool. It was another $15. It's a piece of aluminum that you thread into the block, and then it pushes this cup down, which will push the valve spring down and allow you to replace the seal underneath it. So that is going to be the job that we're going to be doing, and hopefully when we're done, the engine will not be misfiring and not be smoking. So cross our fingers for that. Alright, now we move into this corner of the room, which is kind of a mess right now. This is my tool chest, obviously. You'll notice a few large objects. This is a replacement subframe, and these are obviously some new wheels and tires. So let's go ahead and talk about the subframe real quick. The one on the car right now is totally rotted out, so I went on eBay and I bought, this is a used one that someone like spent hours degreasing and stuff and maybe repainted it a little bit, I don't know, but it looks really, really good and clean, and all the bolts are, all the threads are nice and clean. So I bought that and the bag of bolts that came with it that are also cleaned for another $250, and I thought that was a really good deal. So that will clean up a lot of the front support of the car. And then obviously the wheels and tires, these are really exciting. I have some stupid stuff on them right now, but they are a brand new set of Rota wheels, Rota slips I believe, and they are 15x7 with a 225/45/15 Federal 595 RSRR tire, so it is very sticky. This is a autocross competition tire, I guess you would say, R compound, so that is going to be extremely sticky on the Civic, and I'm really excited to see how that handles on track this year. I definitely plan on bringing it out to a lot of events. Finally, we have this box, which, as you can see, completing the eBay roundup. We have some max speeding rod coilovers. The stock struts are totally blown with some old lowering springs on them, so that will be an upgrade for sure. And again, if those fail, I will replace them with BCs or something else much nicer. But for now, that's gonna do it. Yeah. is on the bottom.
Oh, okay.
All right. Check this out. No way, it's that easy, dude. The valve, look at that.
Oh yeah, no joke.
That's cool.
That's pretty cool.
Okay, watch this. Now, the little keepers should come up, those little metal things.
That's brilliant. Whoever did this.
Hey, there they come.
Yep.
No way. That is so sick.
Was it magnetic on the end? Like the tool?
That is, yeah, that's the whole thing. It's super.
Oh, got it. Where are you gonna put the valves themselves? Probably want to do it in the sequential order.
Gonna do one at a time. There they are. That's the. This is the valve.
Yeah.
That's the seal on the valve right there.